It's been a long time since I met you guys. I hope you're doing well and your family is doing well. So in this video, we are going to see the review of Apios by Shrutika, the Skin Glow Enhancer Serum. I know you guys wanted to see the review of the Skin Glow Enhancer Serum for the longest time. I keep getting comments. So this product, I've been using it for a month. So what this product did to my skin is that after using for a month, it did reduce my pigmentation and also my tan. Yes, this did reduce my pigmentation and my tan. I won't say my pigmentation is completely gone, but I think you need to be using this for a long period of time to see the full result. But for 1 month, I could see a difference that it has reduced my pigmentation and also my tan over here. I get sunburn and tan patches on my forehead, and this one removed my tan, which is a yeah. And also it did reduce my acne scars. So previously, before 1 month, I had 3 acne scar spots on my left cheek, and it did reduce that completely. You could not see the spots now. For pigmentation and tan, the tan is like 80% reduced. For pigmentation, I would say it has reduced like 40% for 1 month of usage. So I'm not going to make this video too long because I know you guys hated my previous video on Happy Herbs because it's too long for you. And so I'm going to finish this as soon as possible. So please excuse me guys, I've written everything in a notebook. What the serum has done for my skin from the day 1, day 2, day 3 till yesterday. If my eye contact goes down, it means I'm looking at my diary. So I'm going to segregate this video into 2 parts. What it did for oily skin as well as what it did for dry skin. So let me finish the dry skin first. So girls, if you have dry skin, this is for you. This will be your savior guys. Kanna moodittu vaangidunga in the serum if you have dry skin. You can use this before your makeup, you can use this as a daily moisturizer, and this will give you that nice glowy, dewy look that you always wanted, right? Dry skin people always love that glowy look, dewy look because their skin is really dry and they want something to hydrate the skin. And this also works the best before makeup for dry skin people. So dry skin people, this is your savior, and also this is an oil. So your skin will definitely love this. So coming to the oily skin, I have an oily skin, and to be honest, I don't really like to apply this serum on a very hot day because it is already hot and I don't want to put oil on my skin. So this is summer and oil is not very comfortable for me on my skin. So I go for like gel based moisturizers, gel based serum, water based serum and all of that. Some days when it's very hot, I skip this serum. I cannot even apply this on my skin. And also if you want to use this serum for makeup for oily skin, I would say a big no. Do not use this serum before your makeup if you have oily skin. Why? Oily skin needs something that is mattifying, like mattifying compact, mattifying foundation, mattifying blush, powder blush and all of that. Something that is mattifying for makeup. So this is an oil based serum. So when you apply this oil based serum before your makeup, before your foundation or before your primer, I did test it out on the day 4. It did spoil my makeup in a way that it did melt my makeup. Like how you use coconut oil or almond oil to remove your makeup off from your face, that is what exactly it did to my skin after applying foundation. And in this summer, I would recommend you not to go for this before your makeup. And also, I asked my mother, I mattified one side of my face with a loose powder and the other side I did not mattify it. I showed it to my mom which side is better and she obviously chose the one that is mattified. So the instruction on the back of the packaging says you can apply this serum like 8 to 10 drops onto your face, but I would say if you have dry skin, you can go for 8 to 10 drops, but if you have oily skin, more than 2 drops is not recommended. I use 1 drop every day, so more than 2 drops not at all recommended. Nonetheless, it really works on your pigmentation, acne scars and tan. For oily skin, I would say use this as a treatment to clear your blemishes. Tablets, it's good for your health, right? So and the madri, you use this as a treatment. For dry skin people, buy this. You will love using this facial oil. This will hydrate your skin, this will nourish your skin, this will moisturize your skin as well as it will work as a treatment for your skin. So buy this. For oily skin, use this as a treatment. Keep all these things in mind and use it. And also oily skin people, don't use the serum and go out in the sun. It will make your skin like even more oilier. And also I won't recommend to use the serum before your makeup. Use this as a treatment and you will love it. So now coming to the summary, what I like and what I dislike about these products. So let me finish what I like about these products. It really works for acne scars, in reducing the acne scars, in reducing your pigmentation, in reducing your tan, and it's also natural stuff, guys, so it's not going to harm your skin. And also, if you buy this Happy Hours by Shrutika products, you are supporting a small business. So that it is. And coming to the things that I do not like about this product is that full ingredient list is not mentioned in the back of the bottle, which means they have given ingredients. They have not given key ingredients. They have given ingredients and mentioned just 6 of the ingredients. I am sure this is oil, and what basis this oil is not given in the ingredient list. If they have mentioned key ingredients and just put few of them, I'm okay with that. But they have mentioned ingredients, which means you need to be giving the full ingredient list, which is missing in this product. So this takes me to the second point. Since the ingredient list is missing, you don't know whether this fragrance is a natural or added artificial identical fragrance. So this one smells very delicious. This one smells like quesapeda. And someone also commented in my last video that this one smells like vanilla essence. So while cooking Indian desserts, you add that extra essence to your dishes, right? It smells exactly the same. So I'm not sure this is the natural fragrance of the oil or this is the added artificial fragrance. So I'm not sure of that, just because the ingredient list is missing. Nonetheless, this works really well on pigmentation, acne scars, and removing the tan. So this is what it did to my skin on the first month usage. So try this product. I will leave the link in the description box. If you want to purchase it, do check them out. So until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Dipti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.